Okay, so when I'm in bed at night and I am watching my shows or YouTube videos or movies, I have a beautiful brand new laptop my son bought me. Thank you, my wonderful son. He's my superhero. Okay, before I tell you my addiction, I want to tell you something. If you buy a laptop and you're going to do editing, don't get the MacBook Air. It's not for people that are doing a lot of things on their computer. Maybe it's good for schoolwork or stuff like that, but if you're doing editing and you keep a lot of windows open, it's not going to keep up. So I got the MacBook Pro, the 16-inch, and it's lovely, absolutely lovely. And my son is my superhero. When I'm watching my shows on my beautiful computer, I have an addiction. Okay? Now, I'll tell you what. It's not a bad addiction, and it is gum. Gum, and gum. I'm chewing about one whole one of these a night. Ooh, that is crazy. But because, okay, I've been starting to use xylitol. Now, if you don't know anything about xylitol sugar-free gum, you need to know it. You need to get it for your kids. It prevents bacteria growth. It prevents cavities. When you are chewing xylitol gum, and this is straight from a dental hygienist. My granddaughter, she just turned 25. She is a dental hygienist. I mean, she gives injections. She is amazing. She has her own office in the dentist's office. That's how much they love her. They gave her her own room. And she's booked for months cleaning everyone's teeth. And she said, Grandma, chew xylitol gum. It prevents cavities. Okay, and this is a list of everything that the xylitol gum does. I love this Ice Cube Arctic Grape. Ooh. It's a little round. It's so cute. It's so delicious. Then I like the Cherry Limeade. Now you would think I'd like the bubble gum, but I only bought the bubble gum once, and I like these flavors better. Cherry Limeade. Ooh, Cherry Limeade. Ooh, that's another cute one. It's a little crunchy, and then it's really soft, and the flavor just spits right out. It's just, oh, beautiful. Then I like this, the Mentos gum, and these all have the xylitol as the first ingredient. That's what you have to make sure, that the xylitol is the first ingredient, and that it's sugar-free. This is red fruit lime. Sugar-free, tropical, and look at these. These are so cute too. These are orange and pink. And these have a crunch. These definitely crunch. You know, and it feels good, the crunch. Okay. Because I'm so into all these gums, I bought AIRHEADS. And this is cute too. Look at this. It opens up, and then it has the gums there and there, and they're stuck. They're stuck with that gluey type of thing. And then you open it up, and this one has micro candies in the middle of it. It's Paradise Blend. It's raspberry lemonade. So I think the lemonade is the strip and the raspberries on the outside. Is that not cute? Ooh, that's so cute. I'll just put it in here. Oh, and then I'll show you the other one. I'll show you the packaging. And this is the watermelon. This is my favorite. And it's got that little harder strip in the center, so it gives you a little crunch. I am just ridiculous. Now, I was chewing the very, very sour Mentos. I noticed that if you chew as much as I've been chewing, like a whole pack a night, I mean, I chew it and I spit it out. I chew it. You could irritate your tongue. So I'm just telling you, if you chew more than a pack or two a night, you might irritate your gum. With the sour ones especially. But I love these. And I'm always looking for more pretty. How cute is that? Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so let me show you a quick TikTok that I put out showing the gum. So that's my addiction. And there's something else that I chew along with that, and I'll show you in another video. But, oh, maybe I'll show it to you here. The other thing I chew is peanut butter ginger chews. Okay, and I'm getting a little addicted to this too. I've been chewing about 10 of these a night, 10 pieces a night. And there's two companies that make this. Prince of Peace, which is hard to find anywhere, or Chimes. And Chimes has very thick, everyone is thick. In this one, not everyone was thick. I noticed little different sizes, but if I could find it, I would still buy it. But the Chimes, delicious too. And so what happens is ginger gives you a bite, but the peanut butter mellows it out. It's just so delicious. Even my grandkids like it. So it's a crowd pleaser. And these are about $13 for a pound on Amazon. So that is my addiction. And yeah, every night I'm like chewing. As soon as the flavor's gone, I chew another piece. I don't know what's wrong with me. It could be worse, right? So thank you so much for watching. It's crazy. It's probably not a physical, but it's a craving. It's a craving addiction that I have. So anyway, if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, only if you smiled, and share it, and a thumbs up would be great. Because I tell you, YouTube is not pumping out my videos. I don't know why. They used to. I don't know why they're not pumping them out. But you know what? I'm happy with who is here. And I love you all. And I'll see you soon. Mwah! Love you.